Hey everyone, I'm Rachel, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 3D descending staircase using the Color Therapy app. This is a simple but super easy to achieve illusion that will fool anyone. I'll be using the marker tool for this, but you can also use the pen, pencil, or airbrush tool for good results. So I'll just be using the blank drawing paper, which is found under Pixel, and we'll just need the color black, and then in the manual mode, I'm gonna just first sketch out the rectangular shape for the descending staircase with the airbrush tool. And I'll set the size to 0 and the opacity to about 20%. And I'm going to sketch out a rectangle that's sort of angled from the side, and it's best if you can get everything pretty parallel. So our next step is to draw the shape of the stairs, and those are going to look like a stretched out zigzag line. So we're going to start in this corner, the top corner here, and just draw a straight line down. And then from there, you're going to draw a parallel line to this line right here, which is going to be the side wall of the staircase. And then just keep doing the same motion, just like that, all the way down. So kind of just like that, I have 1, 2, 3 points in the stairs for your reference. Now we're going to connect each of those points from the zigzagged line downwards. So we're going to just draw straight lines down, and they're going to be parallel with the sides of the walls. So just like this, just straight across at each point. So now it should look something like this. Now we're gonna fill in this area, so the blank negative space right there, completely black. I'm just gonna use the airbrush for that. I'll just do size about 50 and opacity 100 and just fill it in really quick. And then to get those clean edges, let's use the marker tool, size 15 and opacity 100. That'll help you get really nice, clean and sharp edges. After you're done filling in the black area, it's time to add in shadows. So let's open up the manual mode again. Now let's raise the size to about 80 and lower the opacity to 5%. So starting with our first step, we'll just color that in gray with the marker tool and then color in every other one from there. Then you also want to just drag a very light shadow across from the top corner all the way down to the bottom, just for extra dimension. And so that's it. And if you want to add even more details, you can just add some more shadows just along the edges of the stairs, right where the gray meets the white. You can just add a little bit more of a shadow there and then just darken those corners as well if you'd like. You can try drawing several descending stairs on the same paper, going different directions for more of a challenge. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.